Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening and peace be upon us all. I am grateful to Almighty God for the opportunity that has been given to me, for allowing me to be here today to present my thesis proposal. I extend my deepest thanks to Mrs. Satya Aryani, MSPD, the lecturer of the thesis proposal course, and the examiner for this seminar. Your guidance and evaluation are invaluable to my academic journey. Before I start, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Aprilia Pasyamisti. I'm a student from English Literature Study Program of Faculty of Cultural Science. Today, I want to presenting my thesis proposal, semiotic analysis of moral message of the Journey to Bethlehem 2023 film. For this presentation, I have 3 chapters. The first is introduction, the second is review of related literature, and the last one is research method. For the chapter 1, background of a study. So, film is a storytelling medium used to communicate a variety of messages to an audience. And in film, every aspect has the potential to become a sign or symbol conveying a specific meaning. And to identify this meaning, we use semiotic analysis. And I choose The Journey to Bethlehem to analyze. This film is a musical film that depicts the tale of Jesus Christ's birth. And despite mixed reviews, many Christians enjoy this film, so the researcher interested in analyzing what moral message that conveyed in the film. For the research question, based on the background of study I have explained before, I found a question that makes me want to analyze this, to do this research. So the question is, what does the film moral message relate to the contemporary social and cultural context? The purpose of the research is to find out the moral message relate to the temporary social and cultural context in the Journey to Bethlehem 2023. And for the scope and limitation of the research is I only focus on character, scene, and dialogue by using the theory of Roland Barthes theory to orders of signification, which is denotation and connotation, and I will not delve into other aspects such as cinematography, music, or visual effect. And for the significance of the research is to analyze the Journey to Bethlehem moral message through character scenes and dialogues with only focus on narrative and character development. And this research is to can this the research can encourage discussion on understanding and response for viewers and those unfamiliar with the film moral context. For the definition of Kitron is there is a film, a moral, semiotic, signifier as signified, denotation, and connotation. Chapter 2 is review of related literature. Film is cinema, also known as cinematography, is the derived form. The word cinema, motion, and through like painting of movement using light. So the collection of images used to tell a story. And this film typically address social and cultural issues in culture. And in film semiotic, filmmakers use symbol, codes, and confession to convey moral message. Next is moral message. According to the Indonesian Dictionary, WJS Purwadarminta, morals are teachings about good and bad behavior. Next is definition of semiotic. According to Chandra, semiology focus on the law governing sign, while semiotics examines their role in social life. According to Barthes, anything can be assigned, including image, gesture, and musical sound. Semiotic encompasses all systems of signals. So, and based on according to Sauber, semiotic is a strategy for analyzing signs. So, uh, definition of semiotic is a study of sign. Next is Roland Barthes theory. So, uh, according to the Saussure, Barthes semiotic theory is closely related to language theory. So, Saussure's semiotic theory consists of markers and consists of signifier and signified developed by Roland Barthes, and it includes denotation, connotation, and myth. It's influenced by human sense, psychology, emotion, and beliefs. For the previous study, uh, there is semiotic analysis of moral message in animated film Raya and the Last Dragon, and semiotic analysis moral message of film Hitchcock. For the chapter 3 is research method. For the research design, I use qualitative research form of Roland Barthes semiotic analysis, and from data and data search is which has two categories. It's primary and secondary. Primary means I collect data without any intermediates. So, and secondary, I get the data from I'll print it like the internet books or the journal, and I get the data from for this uh, for this research. I get data from scenes depicting narrative aspect, and I choose number scenes that may contain semiotic. Also acquired secondary data from literature that supports primary data, such as article, the internet, and books on this topic. Next is research instrument. So the major instrument in this study is me as the researcher. And for the data collection technique, I use observation and documentation. And for data analysis, I collected the data and then analysis using the analytical technique that research use, which is Roland Barthes semiotic analysis, two orders of signification, which are denotation, the first analysis system, and connotation, the second analysis system. That's all the presentation of my thesis proposal. Thank you for your attention. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.